Have you ever sat next to an electric heater and wondered, there's no fire, no gas, no flames? So how is this thing producing so much heat? How does it heat your room safely without burning anything at all? Today, we're opening the science, engineering, and hidden components inside electric heaters to answer one simple question. How do electric heaters produce heat without flames? And stick around till the end, because we'll also answer which type of electric heater is the most efficient, why some heaters feel hotter even at the same setting, and whether electric heaters can actually save you money. At the heart of every electric heater is a powerful scientific principle called electrical resistance. Here's the simple version. Electricity flows through a material. That material resists the flow. Resistance creates heat. This is known as Joule heating. Unlike fire, which comes from burning fuel, electric heaters convert electrical energy directly into heat energy. No combustion required. But what exactly is resisting the electricity? Inside most electric heaters, you'll find heating elements. These are usually made from nichrome wire, nickel plus chromium, or ceramic heating elements. Why nichrome? High resistance. Doesn't melt easily. Heats up fast. Lasts a long time. When electricity passes through these elements, they get extremely hot, sometimes over 1000 degrees, 538 degrees Celsius, but without flames. If the heating element gets that hot, why doesn't the heater catch fire? Hold that thought. Electric heaters don't just create heat, they transfer it in different ways. 3 main heat transfer methods. 1. Convection. Air near the heater warms up. Warm air rises. Cool air moves in. Creates a circulation loop. Used in space heaters. Oil-filled radiators. 2. Radiant heating. Heat travels directly to objects and people, like standing in sunlight. Used in infrared heaters. Quartz heaters. 3. Forced air. Built-in fans push heat outward. Used in fan heaters. Ceramic heaters. That's why some heaters warm the room, while others warm you. Ceramic versus metal versus infrared heaters. Let's compare the most common types. Ceramic heaters. Electricity heats ceramic plates. Ceramic retains heat. Fans distribute warmth evenly. Safer and energy efficient. Metal coil heaters exposed. Metal coils. Heat up fast. Can smell dusty at first use. Older technology. Infrared heaters. Heat objects, not air. Feel warm instantly. Great for spot heating. Which heater do you think uses the least electricity? Ceramic or infrared? Why electric heaters are safe without flames. Here's why electric heaters don't burn your house down when used correctly. No combustion. No oxygen consumption. Built-in thermostats. Overheat sensors. Tip-over shut-off switches. Electric heaters monitor themselves constantly, cutting power if temperatures get unsafe. That's why they can operate indoors without smoke, carbon monoxide, or flames. Here's the truth most people don't know. All electric heaters are 100% efficient at converting electricity into heat. But efficiency depends on room size, insulation, heater type, usage time. Infrared heaters feel more efficient because they heat people directly, not air. So now you know, electric heaters don't need flames. Resistance creates heat. Different designs change how warmth is delivered. Safety comes from smart engineering, not fire. If you enjoyed this breakdown and love learning how everyday devices really work, like the video, subscribe to Unboxed and Rebuilt, comment below. Which appliance should we break open next? Because nothing is simple once you look inside.